Good evening. Not going to stay long. I just wanted to come forth, just speak some things that's on my mind. As you can see, I'm in front of my fireplace. I love my fire. I just got in the house, so I'm trying to warm up. But it's about vision, and it's about your vision and seeing it, because not everybody's going to see your vision. Just had a discussion with somebody very close to me, and they think I'm crazy. They think what I'm doing is a waste of time. It's interfering with me being an awesome mother. I need to focus on, working and just dealing with my kids. They don't understand what I do. And at times, you have to remember, what is your vision? What is the reason why you are doing what your vision is telling you to do? So don't get discouraged. I mean, it goes back to my message from yesterday where I was feeling discouraged. And I'm not going to let people get me discouraged, because I'm going to continue to stay focused on my path. My path is getting my time back. I've worked with companies where they don't appreciate me, so I've created a new vision. Now, I don't know where this vision is going to take me, but one thing I know is God's going to lead me that way, and I have Him in my heart in order to do so. So no matter what your passion is, whether it's what I do, your own self-employed business, or even just the job that you work, because some of us really do love our jobs. We have really awesome jobs that we love, and we can't see ourselves leaving. We will retire from that company. So do what you do. If that is part of your vision plan, if that's part of what's going to make you happy in life, because it's not about being successful. You can be successful, you can be rich. What's important is being happy with yourself, being happy in the position that you are in life. So that's my main focus. I want to be happy, and I'm loving what I do. I can't tell you how happy I've been since I started this. So, stick to it. Listen to your heart, listen to your mind, and just go forth and follow with it. Just left this awesome vendor expo, networked with a lot of different people, learned a lot of things I didn't really knew. So I'm super excited about all the different opportunities about to open up. So there's doors opening up every day. So for me, it's growing me personally, and I think that's what I love, because as an individual, we all need growth in our life. We all need that little bit of challenge to help grow us to the next level. And yes, this has grown me to the next level. Like I said, I didn't want to keep you guys long. I just wanted to come today, just to remind you to stay focused. If you haven't started working on that vision board, get started, because that vision board will help keep you focused. You want that big house? Put that on your vision board. You want success? You want happiness? Put that on your vision board. You want love? Put that on your vision board. Because the vision board is your way in looking at it daily, looking at it constantly to be motivated. Because you got to stay consistent in what you do. And you got to love what you do. And you got to understand what you do and the reason why that you do it. So, like I said, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my evening. I'm just going to go ahead and relax by this fire, have me a glass of wine. So on that, love, one love, peace. Good night.